anyone that's obsessed with blow drying their hair and it not damaging their hair, definitely watch this video because I've just came across this new VS Sassoon hairdryer called the Hydro Smooth, and I've been using it for the last 2 weeks and it is amazing. So I'm going to show you how I dry my hair. So silky and smooth, it dries super fast and it doesn't ruin your hair like some hair dryers can, and it's really good for colored hair. So definitely check this one out because I've been using it for the last 2 weeks and my hair has been feeling amazing, super hydrated and a lot less frizzy. So this is definitely a new favorite.